Every bottle of tomato sauce begins with a fresh tomato growing under the open sun. Tomatoes trace their origins to Western South America before cultivation carried them around the world. Inside each mature tomato, tiny seeds carry the potential for another generation of plants. After germination, the tomato seedling builds roots first, anchoring itself while searching for water and nutrients. With sunlight, water, and careful farming, the young tomato plant grows toward its first harvest. Before a tomato becomes fruit, its small yellow flower must successfully complete pollination. Pollination transfers pollen within the flower, beginning the biological process that can produce a new tomato. Once fruit set occurs, the tiny green tomato begins expanding from flower tissue into a developing fruit. Over the following weeks, the tomato stores water and carbohydrates as its flesh steadily enlarges. As ripening begins, the green tomato dot slowly changes color as its pigments and internal chemistry transform. Now deep red and fully developed, the tomato is approaching the stage when farmers can harvest it. Farmers judge tomato maturity by color, firmness, variety, and the purpose for which the fruit will be used. Careful harvesting protects the tomatoes from bruising before they begin their journey to the processing facility. Freshly harvested tomatoes are transported quickly so processing can preserve their color, flavor, and quality. At the processing plant, thousands of tomatoes enter a carefully controlled system designed to transform fresh fruit into sauce. Before processing begins, the tomatoes are thoroughly washed to remove soil and surface debris. Automated sorting removes unsuitable tomatoes, so the processing line receives fruit with more consistent quality. The stems and unwanted plant material are separated before the tomatoes are broken down. Crushing breaks the tomatoes into pulp, releasing their juice, flesh, seeds, and natural flavor. Refining separates much of the skin and seeds, leaving a smoother tomato pulp for the sauce. Controlled heating helps prepare the tomato pulp while preserving the qualities needed for sauce production. Water is carefully removed from the tomato pulp, concentrating its natural color, flavor, and solids. Depending on the recipe, tomato puree is blended with carefully measured ingredients to create the sauce's signature flavor. Gentle cooking allows the ingredients to blend while the sauce develops a deeper, richer texture and flavor. When the texture reaches the desired consistency, the tomato has been transformed into a smooth, concentrated sauce. Before packaging, each batch is checked to ensure its texture, color, and quality meet the required specifications. Automated fillers portion the finished tomato sauce into containers with remarkable consistency. Each container is sealed carefully to protect the sauce from contamination and preserve its quality. Depending on the packaging method, dot-controlled heat treatment helps make the sealed sauce safe and stable for storage. After thermal processing, the sealed containers are cooled so the finished sauce can move safely toward final inspection. Every finished bottle is inspected once more before it leaves the production line. Sealed bottles are packed into protective cartons so they can travel safely through the supply chain. Finished tomato sauce waits in organized storage until it is ready for distribution. From the factory, packaged tomato sauce enters a global supply chain connecting producers with consumers. After farming, processing, packaging, and transport, the tomato sauce finally reaches the place where people can choose it. The long journey from field to factory now ends in an everyday kitchen. Opening the container reveals the concentrated flavor created from thousands of ripe tomatoes. In the pan, the finished sauce becomes the foundation for another meal. Gentle heat brings the sauce's tomato, herbs, and seasonings together into a deeper aroma. Its rich texture shows how water removal and cooking transformed fresh tomatoes into a concentrated sauce. Once combined with pasta, the tomato sauce becomes a simple meal built from an agricultural journey. The deep red color of tomatoes comes largely from lycopene, a naturally occurring carotenoid pigment. Tomatoes provide nutrients including vitamin C, potassium, and carotenoids such as lycopene. Cooking changes the tomato's texture and chemistry, creating a very different food from the fresh fruit. From a seed in the soil to sauce on the table, every tomato carries a remarkable agricultural journey. A fresh tomato and tomato sauce share the same origin, but processing gives each a very different texture and form. Tomatoes also contribute dietary fiber, although the amount depends on how the sauce is processed and formulated. Tomatoes naturally provide potassium, an essential mineral involved in normal muscle and nerve function. Tomato sauce is not simply fresh tomato in a bottle. Processing changes its texture, concentration, and composition. Modern food processing turns a highly perishable fruit into a convenient product that can travel far beyond the farm. Behind every bottle of sauce is a vast agricultural system dedicated to growing millions of tomatoes. Efficient irrigation delivers water close to tomato roots while reducing unnecessary wetting of the surrounding field. Farmers protect tomato crops by monitoring pests and diseases and choosing appropriate control methods when needed. A healthy farm ecosystem can support soil life, beneficial insects, and greater biological diversity around the crop. Every carefully harvested tomato becomes another small part of the larger journey toward the finished sauce. Tomatoes are grown on a massive scale because fresh fruit and processing industries depend on reliable harvests. The tomato industry connects farmers, transporters, processors, manufacturers, retailers, and consumers. Efficient processing can turn large harvests into stable food products while creating opportunities to reduce waste. Automation allows enormous quantities of tomato sauce to be filled, sealed, inspected, and packed with consistent precision. From a tomato field, the finished sauce can travel across regions and borders before reaching another kitchen. From seed to sauce, the tomato passes through a remarkable chain of biological and human-made transformations. Fresh tomatoes and processed tomato products each have different nutritional characteristics, so one cannot simply be called better. Tomato sauces vary widely because recipes, tomato varieties, processing methods, and ingredients can all change the final product. The future of tomato farming depends on producing more food while protecting soil, water, biodiversity, and farm resilience. Every bottle of tomato sauce begins with something this simple: one ripe tomato grown from the earth. After months of growth and hours of processing, the tomato is finally ready to become part of a meal. From a tiny seed to a bottle of sauce, the tomato connects nature, science, farming, technology, and food. Every bottle of tomato sauce begins with the quiet work of soil, sunlight, water, farmers, and one remarkable fruit.